Welcome to week 26 cosmetology, which is basic corrective makeup. We'll be studying about cheeks, nose, lips, jaws, eyes, and eyebrows. Corrective makeup is a technique that makes us of light and dark shades and color to highlight the counter features, creating the effect of balance and proportion. By using dark and light shades in the right place next to one another, you can create an illusion of shape. When working with corrective makeup, keep a few basic tips in mind. Highlighting emphasizes a feature, shadowing minimizes a feature, making it less noticeable. Blend blend your makeup to create a seamless transformation between correct areas. Basic corrective makeup of cheeks. Narrow face. Use a light foundation on the outer edges of your cheekbones. Wide jaw. Use a darker foundation below the cheekbones and along the jawline. Descending chin. Use a lighter foundation to highlight the chin. Basic corrective makeup of nose. A vertical line alongside the inner corner of the eye and the side of the nose. This is where the inner brow should end. A vertical line on the outside edge of the iris. This is where the highest point of the arc should be. A diagonal line starting at one corner of the nose and crossing the outer corner of the eyes on the same side. The line will extend past the brow to indicate where the brow should end. Basic corrective makeup of lips. Make a thin upper lip appear fuller by lining it with a lip lining pencil. Stay on the outermost area of the lip. Extending too far look artificial and then filling in with lip color. Reverse the procedure from a thin lower lip. When both lips are thin, line both with a pencil. Do not go far past the natural lip line and fill in with light lipstick to make lips appear larger. To full lips, use a lip liner to draw a line just inside the natural lip line. Fill in with soft colors, avoiding frosty or glossy lipsticks that attract attention. Drooping corner. Line the lips, focusing on building up the corner. Fill in with a soft color. Basic corrective makeup of chin. Wide jaw. Use a darker foundation below the cheekbones and alongside the jawline. Descending. Chin. Use a lighter foundation to highlight the chin. Double chin. Use a darker foundation to shade under the jawline over the double chin. Basic corrective makeup of eyebrow. High arcs make your face appear more narrow, which could be a good thing for a round face, but not as desirable for a face that's already very narrow. To adjust a high arc, remove extra hair from its top and fill in under the eyebrow with pencil and shadow. Add visual height to a low forehead by decreasing the arc. Make your eyes appear farther apart by widening the distance between the brows and extending the brows slightly outward. Basic corrective makeup of eyes. Lighten round eyes by extending shadow beyond the outer corners. Make close set eyes appear farther apart by placing light shadow in the lids near the nose and darker shadow on the outer edge of the lid. Use light reflective color in the crease to make deep set eyes emerge. Use darker color sparingly. Extend shadow ever so slightly beyond the side of the eye to make small eyes look larger. Make prominent eye less noticeable by blending a medium to dark shadow over the most prominent part of the eyelid. and blending it upward towards the brow. This was end of week 26. Thank you.